Hi everyone, it's Cynthia here, and I would like to wish everyone a very happy new year. It's a bit of a challenging time, I know, for many people in bushfire ravaged communities across Australia, and I know that I'm not alone in sending all my best wishes to everyone who's facing really tough and challenging times at the moment. Today I'm in Benalla, where my dad lives, and the sky is a dirty, yellowy, browny colour. The wind's picked up, the temperature's dropped. It's pretty chilly here now after a few weeks of constant hot, very, very hot conditions. So we've got some of the smoke coming down from the alpine fires. So it's a real reminder of what's happening. So I just wanted to connect with people or women who were thinking about coming along to my self-care staycation in Melbourne on January the 17th. So over the past couple of weeks I've been thinking, because I set this workshop up in November, and thinking, oh, that'll be a great time for women to get together and have a bit of a think about where they're headed, what's important to them, their well-being. And over the past couple of weeks I've been thinking, oh, is this the right thing to be doing? I'm not really sure. It seems a bit, I don't know, a bit weird given the disaster that's been unfolding in front of many of us. But on reflection over the weekend, I've decided that I am going to go ahead with it in a little bit of a shortened form. So it's going to be from 10 till 1. And I've also thought that I reckon the best contribution that I can make is to donate some money to the Bushfire Appeal, and that's particularly the Red Cross Disaster and Recovery Fund. And so what I've decided to do is to just put it out there. Any woman who's from maybe a rural area, a regional area, or who's in Melbourne and who wants to come along to a bit of a wellbeing workshop from 10 till 1, get together with some other women, do some reflection, think about what's really important, come along on the 17th. And I've made it on the try booking site so that you just donate whatever you can, and I'm going to put all proceeds towards the Red Cross emergency and recovery assistance appeal. So I know many women will have been donating money already because there's lots of great fundraisers. You will have donated your time. I'm sure many of you have donated practical goods as well, clothing, other supplies that are needed. So if you feel like you've already donated and you don't have a lot to give, or you might have been drought affected and you don't have a lot to give at the moment, that is fine. If you can spare $5, $10, $50, $200, whatever is affordable to you and what you think is reasonable, go along to the try booking page, book yourself a free ticket for the workshop, and then there'll also be an option for you to make a donation, and that is just up to you, whatever you can afford for this workshop. So it's 3 hours. We've got space for women to come together, we've got a structure for you to do some thinking about what's really important to you, and we've got support. So there's support from some of the tools that I'll provide, but I'll also pair you up with a buddy so that after the workshop you can check in with them and just keep accountable and keep supporting each other. So I thought, look, it might just be nice to bring women together during what's been a challenging time, with many of us feeling pretty helpless and powerless about what we can do when we're not in an area that's directly affected. So this might be an opportunity for you to make a contribution, but also get something out of this for yourself, because I reckon definitely for those of us who aren't in the line of fire directly, things like this that happen can make us stop and pause and really reflect on what's important in life and make the most of it. And that's what I'd really love this workshop to provide a space for people to do. So hope to see you on Friday the 17th of January, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Venue to be confirmed, because I'll just see how much interest I've got, and but it'll be somewhere in the CBD that's really accessible to public transport. So link to book is below. There's a try booking site. Please spread the word as well. Please let other women in your network know this is on, because I'd love to be able to donate a really good amount to the bushfire appeal, and this is one way that I can use my skills to make a contribution. Okay everyone, all the best no matter where you are for the decade ahead, and hopefully I'll see some of you on the 17th of January in Melbourne. See you later.